Before we drag the columns into the fields, one important note. First, prepare your data. Get the tables into the right shape and build the data model. There's step-by-step guidance in the documentation on productionvisual.com, link in the description. And if you get stuck, reach out to support. Here the tables are already loaded and the model is built. You can see every table on the right, and the production tracker visual is on the canvas. Now we put the right columns into the right fields. Let's start with machine. It comes from the dim machine table, the machine name. As soon as you bind the first field, the visual appears. Without a license, you'll see this banner. With one, it disappears and the shift settings show up. Next is product. It comes from the dim product table, the product name. Produced quantity comes from a fact table, fact production. While everything's red, not all fields are bound yet. That resolves shortly. Also from fact production, the FTT quantity and the scrap quantity. Drag those in too. For downtime, bind the reason using the description from dim downtime code so it reads clearly, and for the downtime code, the code itself. This matters because the visual uses the downtime code to split planned from unplanned downtime. If the code starts with the letter S, it's a scheduled stop. The downtime minute also comes from fact production, and the downtimes now show up nicely. Next, cycle time. But watch out. Set this to average, not sum. The remaining dimensions follow the same pattern. Shift from dim shift, date from dim date, and production line and location from dim machine. Product category comes from dim product, and the area name from dim machine. And to keep the areas in order, I set the area sort key to the area ID. One important thing. The quantity fields must be a number, a sum, not a count. Otherwise, it just counts rows. Set produced, FTT, scrap, and downtime minute to sum, and cycle time to average, and everything shows correctly. And that's the field binding done. You now have a fully working production tracker. Thanks for watching. We'll continue from here next time.